Welcome back my people. So there with the next video. Yeah, so we'll start the porch another morning, yeah. Yeah, reason why I started away and not from the front, although you can see I'm going to catch my fall. But at the same time I use right through. So, doing this so I have to catch back all the joint together. So at the same floor as you can see, I have my master row here, so the line. So I'll catch back the joint to that tile the same way. So we have flow with the joint all about from all angles. So see there. Catch back the joint there. Yeah. Well, catch back the joint here, so. Yeah. So this is how I flow with. So the giant are going to run right through, correspond up back with everything. Yeah. Alright, I'll be going to lay some tile. So I'm going to run with the porch on here. Yeah, so we're going to drop in some time on people. Yeah, so that's a new thing. This is spear up yourself. We're going to catch back the giant thing. joint. So one guy right through the place. In the medium, you want to do good.
Alright, no problem now. The general said, "Read to me, I'm ready to you."
Oh. From long dream.
You go back to the time and they go cook anywhere that.
Yeah, I'm not so funny. Oh, when you just come down and you put like a sit line.
That's the one. Go ahead.
I want to run out the That's all I say, why everything corresponds. So remember to like, share and subscribe to people. Leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah. Let me know if you like it. Yeah. This like my people, so me and you want to catch back. And I'll catch back the giant one. Make the place look uniform. So we have pitch water off my porch and all longer. Yeah, so this is how the porch look like. Yeah, so as you see, catch back that joint there. So basically, the two joints go on catch back and lock up. So that was the main focus. Yeah. So I check and see if we can run out them balance that tile up on the side there. Depending on the people that put in the bad boy coupling. Yeah. Around the column there go. Set the knife up nice and soft, you know. Just squeeze them kind of light. Sugar in it, chai.
Can't do.
Yeah, go.
Put your hand in there, man.
Alright, you can put this one. You can't measure that sugar. That piece you can't read.
Which piece?
That one. Check it here.
Wait.
See this one? You got enough? You just drop it in this one. Next thing we're trying to finish up the porch. It's a difficult little part there. And then place that take a whole heap of time. Cuttings. There's somewhere around this one. People, there, drop it in and set that tiger. Oh, ya como para llegar. Ya, 15 segundos. I think that allora poi ci metto. Oh, poi
No, I'm just fix it directly.
One. Alright, my people, so see it now. Porch done and growth up. Yeah. So, as you can see. Yeah, so see there as myself. What we do with this now? Catch back the joint them. Yeah. At the same tile go right through. So we catch back the joint from all angle. Yeah. See that it's a joint that catch back flow right through same way. Yeah, so you know. Yeah, man. So what I do with this now? You know, when I bother to line up it different, you know, want to get a decent finish. So that's why I say we do it that way. We catch back the joint. So we end up with the piece up on the front. which is a nice piece, you know, but generally we don't use a whole tile from this, so yeah. But you as I say the same tile I got through. Want it to look uniform. Yeah, so me just work it, that's every joint, connect back. You know, because I couldn't use a whole tile from this, so couldn't use a whole tile from the front. Catch back this a joint here, you know, through the main area, but at the same time, yeah, I go see this the same way. You know, so as I say, I like my work look uniform. Yeah, so I just work with it that way. Everything connect up back. You know, so it look nice and sweet. Yeah, so as I see, it's a 50 cent kind of thing. So work out nice and sweet for people. Yeah, man. So if you watch the video to this far, you know, subscribe to the channel as it, you know. Subscribe, man. Help the channel to grow. You know, it's free. So, you know, it no cost nothing to subscribe to the channel, my people. So, as I say, we always out here. I give some good work. You know, top class work. So, this I won't believe in it. Give you 100% at all times. If me even do it cheap, yeah, I will get 100% same way. That I believe in quality of my work. Yeah, so that's how I will get at all times. Yeah, so you don't know. If you see my work them and you like it, you want to contact me, you know where you go. Yeah, easy to contact man. 355-7160. Yeah. So as I say, we always out there give some nice content. Yeah, push out the work. Yeah, man. So yeah, so see the trim them around there. Yeah, trim on the front. Yeah, same thing around there, so. Yeah, so you know, Porch like this take like a time to deal with, you know, because of all them cutting, the angle cutting and everything on them place there. So yeah, as I said, finish, done and grow up. So you don't know where go my people. Yeah, like the video, share the video, you know, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man. So we're there always push out some good work. Yeah, try to give you the best at all times. So yes, my people. So you don't know where go. There, be safe at all times. You know, enough respect to all of the supporters. Them big up on yourself. Yeah, man, and all of the upcoming supporters. Them enough respect, same way. Yeah, man, like and share, my people. Alright, so catch up on the next video. Alright. So, alright, my people. So, the Porch done and grow up now. Yeah, baseboard drop on everything. Yeah, so the finished product. So, how it look like. Yeah. Nice and sweet. You miss one little spot, Charlie. I miss one little spot with the growth. Right, this up. Can you trim this up?
Yeah, so.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so as I say, I finished product this, you know. Which nice and sweet, growth up and everything. Yeah, man, so which baseboard. Yeah, so as I can see my people, we're looking good so far. Yeah, Porch with hang, so you know, everything take time. Yeah, so looking good. Yeah, man, looking real good. Yeah. Work with pride. Yeah, top class work. Yeah, man, see how we do it, yeah. Same tile go right through the place, so you know, you can't miss nothing. Giant them carry, connect up back. Yeah. So, yeah, everything. Yes, my people, so this is the outside of it, you know. Yeah, man, this is from the outside, so yeah. As I say, we're looking good. Yeah, man, Porch, sweet. Everything covered, nice and sweet. Breeze are blow. Yeah, man. Yeah, Mr. Professional work. Yeah. Yeah, man. So if you see the video, you like the work, you know you can contact me. Yeah, man. Everything in the bio, so you know, number everything. Yeah, man. So we're nice and sweet. So I say big up all of the supporters them, you know, every time. You know, respect to all the people who support the thing straight up. Yeah, man. So you don't know about my people. We'll catch up on the next video.